Hi, I'm Scott Anderson, Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of MNG. MNG has been in existence for about 30 years now, coming up 30 years, and we've got a great team here of over 100 people. MNG Access we have developed with a whole information technology team that we've got here, and it's about consolidating multiple data sets that people use day in, day out for planning, for operations and decision making.
We've had MNG Access for around about 6 months, and we pretty much use it on a daily basis. So we'll use it in our development team, marketing, and then me at acquisition and overseeing the projects. And the main advantages, as I see it, is the multiple layers. So MNG has layers such as servicing, easements, environmental constraints, and from an acquisitions perspective, it allows me to very quickly assess a site as to whether or not it's developable or not.
Cossell & Webley have been working with MNG for about 30 years now, but in the most recent times and the recent evolution of the app, that's been over the past 3 or so years. We use the MNG Access app on site. One of the main features that I love about the app is the desktop component and the ease with which we can layer in various disciplines, not just engineering related services like sewer and water and power, but also some of the environmental features, wetlands and groundwater levels and topographical information. It gives us the ability to very quickly distill information, switch on and off relevant layers, and we then apply that both at a design sense, but also use that for engineering servicing reports and even through the detailed design process as well.
And we find that MNG Access is this usable, easy to use tool that our clients are using and making informed decisions, commercial decisions, planning decisions, environmental decisions and engineering decisions, all for the benefit of the land development market.